Welcome to Shadow English. Improve your English the natural way. Listen, shadow, repeat, practice real-life conversations. Let's start shadowing.
Hey, Noah, have you noticed how much people are talking about AI these days?
Yeah, it's everywhere. AI is changing a lot of things.
I read something online. It said AI might replace teachers in the future.
Replace teachers? That sounds a bit extreme.
I don't know. AI can already explain lessons, answer questions, and even create quizzes.
That's true. AI is very helpful for learning.
So what if schools start using AI instead of real teachers?
I think AI can support teachers, but not completely replace them.
Why not?
Because teaching is not just about giving information.
What do you mean?
Teachers guide students, motivate them, and understand their emotions.
That's true. AI doesn't really understand feelings.
But AI is improving very fast. Maybe one day it will become like a real teacher.
Maybe, but human connection is still important in education.
I guess students need someone they can talk to in person.
Exactly. A teacher can encourage you when you feel lost or tired.
AI can give answers, but it can't truly care.
Right. And learning is not just about answers, it's about experience.
So you think AI is not a threat?
I think it's a tool. If teachers use AI properly, it can make learning easier and more effective.
That makes sense.
For example, AI can help explain difficult topics or give extra practice.
That would actually help students a lot.
So maybe the future is not AI replacing teachers.
But AI working with teachers.
I like that idea better.
Me too. Technology should support education, not remove the human side.
Yeah, I guess teachers are still very important.
Exactly. Now let's finish our homework before AI does it for us.
Great job practicing today. Remember, listen, shadow, repeat. Practice this conversation again to improve your fluency. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice with us every day. See you in the next Shadow English lesson.